For nearly 20 years, digital visibility meant one thing: ranking as a blue link on a Google results page. Today, search behavior is expanding rapidly into multiple directions at once. Your audience is now divided across 4 distinct paths. They type traditional queries into search engines, they ask their voice assistants direct questions, they use Google AI overviews or Perplexity to generate synthesized summaries, and they have natural conversations with large language models like ChatGPT or Claude. In this session, we are going to take a single existing web page and upgrade it. Our objective is to structure this page so that it satisfies the specific algorithms for all 4 of these search paths simultaneously. To follow along, you will need access to your website's CMS backend and the combined 4-layer audit checklist. Optimizing for a single channel leaves gaps in your discoverability. This 4-layer approach is designed to align your content with the different ways these modern systems retrieve and process information. Step 1 is building the baseline HTML structure, starting with strict metadata limits. Keep your title tag under 60 characters, as shown in this CMS mockup, and restrict your meta description to under 155 characters. Next, organize the body text using a rigid descending hierarchy of H1, H2, and H3 headers. Search engine crawlers do not read pages the way humans do. They scan underlying code to understand relationships between concepts. This strict header formatting gives the bots a clean, logical outline of your page's exact structure. Traditional SEO acts as the entry point for everything else we will do today. It creates the technical infrastructure that allows a page to be discovered and retrieved by the AI systems waiting further down the line. Layer 2 targets answer engine optimization, or AEO. Scroll to the bottom of your page and create an FAQ section. Write the headers using natural, conversational language that matches exactly how people speak to devices like Siri or Alexa. Immediately below each question heading, strictly apply the answer first rule. Deliver a direct, concrete answer in 1 or 2 sentences before adding any elaboration or supporting details. Voice assistants bypass rambling paragraphs, explicitly pulling from the clean structure on the right. To guarantee machines recognize this format, apply FAQ schema markup. This structured code wraps your content, explicitly flagging the text to Google as a definitive question and answer pair. By combining conversational headers, using answer-first writing, and adding schema markup, you provide the structural signals these assistants need to select your content as an answer. Layer 3 is Generative Engine Optimization, or GEO. Read through your page copy and identify any vague, generalized claims, marketing fluff, or unbacked assertions. Delete those phrases and replace them with highly specific, original data points or clear definitions. Look at this text block mockup. Writing "improved sales a lot" tells the AI nothing. Replacing it with "increased organic traffic by 34% in Q2 2025" provides a hard fact. You must also ensure your content displays clear, visible date markers. Generative engines like Perplexity heavily favor fresh, recently updated information when selecting their sources. The retrieve then generate process relies on both of these first layers. SEO gets your page retrieved by the search system, but it is the GEO data points, the specific stats and dates, that compel the AI to cite your page in its generated summary. Finally, we move to Large Language Model Optimization, or LLMO. Open your site's search function and look up your exact brand or product name to see every instance of how it is written. Large language models learn by mapping relationships across massive datasets through a process called entity recognition. They need to see a reliable, standardized name to build accurate associations about who you are and what you do. If your website uses inconsistent naming, abbreviations here, full names there, the system fails to build a strong association between those mentions. This leaves your brand identity fragmented and harder for models to reliably recognize during a conversation. Fixing this fragmentation requires absolute naming consistency. Standardizing your entity naming across every page provides the technical anchor necessary for conversational AI to reliably recommend your brand by name. Your web page now has a complete baseline of technical metadata, conversational headers ready for voice search, citable statistics, and rigid entity branding. This diagram illustrates how the modern search funnel operates. SEO gets you in the room. AEO ensures you speak first. GEO gets you quoted, and LLMO gets you recommended by name. Your final task is verification. Open ChatGPT and Perplexity, type in the top questions for your specific niche, and check your citation status to see how your newly updated page performs. Isolated optimization tactics no longer work in a multi-engine ecosystem. By integrating these 4 layers into a single architectural approach, your content remains visible wherever your audience searches next.